Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Follow It cookbook. Today we're making Instamash. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. We're going to start this recipe with an eensy weensy bit of prep. You're going to peel and then quarter 1 1/3 pounds of russet potatoes. Once those are all peeled and quartered, you're going to put them into a medium to large pot along with one bay leaf and one fresh rosemary sprig and a teaspoon of salt. And you're going to then fill that up with water to like about just enough water to boil the potatoes without boiling over. And you're going to put it on the stove at high, bring it to a boil on a high heat, then bring it down to medium to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender. While the potatoes are boiling, you're going to grab 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley and mince it. I did more than a teaspoon because parsley is vibes based and no one can tell me otherwise. Once the potatoes are done boiling, you're going to strain it and then remove the bay leaf and the rosemary. The rosemary will shed a lot of its needles, but that's fine. Then you're going to mash them with a mixed in 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of sour cream, and then you mash until it's smooth, and then you're going to mix in 1/2 cup of crumbled blue cheese and your parsley, and season with salt and pepper, and enjoy. This was very good. The blue cheese is very strong and a tad off-putting, but like yummy in hindsight. Like, while I was eating it, I was like, yeah, this is pretty good, and now like I'm thinking about it later, I'm like, that was good. So I don't know what that means. It's good, I guess. Anyway, 8.5 out of 10, maybe 9. It's bordering. Way down inside of me.